Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Want to make buying your new car faster, easier, and more enjoyable? You've come to the right place. That's because you can now calculate your payments, value your trade-in, and even apply for financing right here through our secure website on every device you use. This simple online experience means that once you get to the dealership, you'll be able to review and sign your deal quickly and more confidently. So give it a try, because it's time to buy cars the new way, your way.